Change language in Messenger app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Now, in order to change language in your Messenger app, open up your settings. And also be noted, you have to change the default settings for changing language in your Messenger app. Here at the search bar, type in font. As you do so, you will see font size and style. You will also see it under display, so tap onto it. And here again, go on to font size and style. In my case, I have Samsung One as my font style. Tap to change it and switch it to whichever you would like. Once you do so, you can also decrease or increase the font size. In order to save, just go back, and this will save automatically. Now the font has been changed. This font will be applicable in your Messenger app as well. And this is how you can do it. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.